going to use a pair of locking pliers on the inner part of this link. 15mm socket. Same for the top. Put on a pair of locking pliers. And let's see if we can get the 15mm socket in there. That would be nice, nice. And then we'll take the link right out. Now we might have to get a pry bar or a hammer just to, oh my God, look at that. And there it is. Look at that broken. I'm going to put the bottom one in first. Let's see if I can get the top one in. Yeah, let's start the nut on the bottom. And these are lock nuts, so they're kind of oval offset. That's not a squish nut. That is the way it's supposed to look. So when it tightens up, it never backs off. I'm going to put my 9/16 wrench on that, and I'm just going to snug it because I want to torque it to the specs. And do the same to the top. So the spec is 33 foot-pounds. Okay, let's do the bottom. And as always, don't forget, once you've changed any steering or suspension parts, get yourself in alignment.